Cage Blabag rope and raising Speedy McKee looking for the lead. Lucky Touch from the outside. Second running in. Third Top Nature. 4 lengths back now. Inner Class alongside Laong Laan. Around the outside 6 is Security Force. Then followed by Grand Homer while Pleasure Giver is running in the tail of the field. Into the back they trouble. Lucky Touch. Goes in front by some 2 lengths, followed by Speedy Maki in second. 5 lengths away, Inner Class. Here comes Security Force. Top Notcher is racing fifth. Down in 6 now is Laong Laan. Nearing the 600-mile post. Lucky Touch by some 2 lengths, followed by Speedy Maki. Security Force now running in third by some 4 lengths, and then followed by Inner Class. Inside the last 400, Lucky Touch, Speedy Maki. Now from the outside, towards the final turn is still Lucky Touch, Speedy Maki on the outside. It's now Speedy Maki and Lucky Touch fighting out for the leader. Lucky Touch running by the wheel. Speedy Maki on the outside. It's now Speedy Maki from the outside. Lucky Touch and Inner Class, Security Force, and finally Speedy Maki, Lucky Touch. Inner Class, Security Force, Close, Grand Homer, and Top Notcher.
Inagapayan na kagad ni Stevie Di Maquis.